This is Fred. It's his first day working at the fraction factory. This is Susana. She's going to show him the ropes. Fred's going to work in the Frac Pack division, putting prices on fraction packages. If a fraction can be simplified to 1/3, that's $1. If it's simplified to 1/2, $2. If it's simplified to 3/4, $5. Fred and Susana go to visit the warehouse to see what they will be simplifying. They learn that they will be simplifying 3/6, 6/8, and 4/12. Susana tells Fred all about the simplifying machine. First, it finds a common factor. Then it divides the numerator by that factor and the denominator by the same factor. Ready to see it? Fred puts 3/6 in the machine, and out comes 1/2. Let's take a closer look at that. Here is the fraction 3/6. The numerator is 3 and the denominator is 6. We can divide both of those by 3. First, the numerator. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Next, the denominator. 6 divided by 3 is 2. As you can see, we're going to get 1/2. 1/2 is 3/6 expressed in simplest terms. Next, Fred puts 6/8 in the machine. What do you think will come out? Start with 6/8. You can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. What do you have? That's right, 3/4. And that's exactly what came out of the simplifying machine. Just one more fraction package to go. Fred puts 4/12 in the simplifying machine. Look at 4/12. Ask yourself, what goes into 4 and 12? 2? Yes, but is that all? 3? No, 3 won't work. How about 4? Yes, 4 will work. Since 4 is the largest factor, divide by 4. Numerator first. 4 divided by 4 is what number? Now the denominator. 12 divided by 4 is what? And what do you have? When Fred put 4/12 in the simplifying machine, out popped 1/3. Did you get it? Now they can put the prices on the packages. 4/12 simplifies to 1/3. That's $1. 3/6 simplifies to 1/2. $2. 6/8 simplifies to 3/4. $5. When you simplify fractions, there are 3 steps. Find a common factor, divide the numerator, and divide the denominator. The simplified fraction has the same value as the original fraction. It's the same amount. Now you can simplify fractions. Thanks for helping Fred have such a great first day at the fraction factory.